Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today's December 29, 2018, the home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. Now today we're going to give you a review of our stocks to watch for December 2018. Considering the fact that we are towards the end of this month, we're going to see the performance of the stocks that we said needed to be on your radar for the month of December. Okay, now this is your first time watching our video. Make sure that you do not forget to subscribe to this content, to this channel, and as well do not forget to like and share this video as well, because what we're giving you is the ability to price forecast, price movement without any confusion on the price charts. Okay, so many other people like to waste your time, like to confuse you with specific lingo for the technical analysis community, when in fact you do not need to understand any of those things in order to be a profitable trader in the market. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and look at American Airlines, Latam Airlines Group, as well as Anworth Mortgage Asset Corporation. Those were the three stocks that we said needed to be watched for the month of December. We're going to go ahead and play back what I said on that particular day. That video was uploaded to YouTube, which was November 24, 2018, and then we're going to come back in and actually reveal to you how the market actually traded for those three stocks. Okay, so the first one up is going to be American Airlines. So just sit back, listen to what was said at that particular day and time for American Airlines, and then we'll come back in and show you and tell you how that particular stock or company performed. Okay, so just hold on and sit back and relax. As you can tell here, starting with American Airlines, you can see that the monthly chart for American Airlines is definitely showing us some strength in this space. We did get some of that weakness coming to the market last month in October for American Airlines, just like the majority of the stocks in this space. But American Airlines is definitely holding up well from that weakness. It's definitely showing us that it's not overly weak as some of the other stocks in the stock market. Matter of fact, you can tell that $40 is the next resistance area for American Airlines. We are expecting it to continue to move to the upside to that price, and then we might see the continuation to the downside happen in American Airlines. Now, a quick look at it on the weekly chart. You can see here, even on the weekly chart, American Airlines is definitely absorbing all of the weakness coming into the market, which is one of the reasons that's why we're expecting this particular stock to move to the upside. $40 or maybe a little higher than that, $40 and maybe $41 would be the resistance area that needs to be paid attention to in American Airlines. Okay, so this definitely is a stock that is geared and poised for higher prices for the month of December, especially as we're entering the holiday season in American Airlines. Still seeing the prospect of this particular stock moving higher in price. So that is going to be our analysis for American Airlines. This is definitely a stock to watch for movement higher in price. Okay, so now, as you guys can tell, that on November 24, 2018, American Airlines was trading at $37.95. And looking over here at the right side where I got the arrow, the market closed at $31.83. It had a high of $40.58, and we told you in that previous video that the market was going to hit some resistance, and we will need to see if it's going to be able to break above that $40 price. As you can tell, it did not do it. Okay, so definitely we were on point in that analysis as to American Airlines breaking above $40. Now, considering the fact that we did our video on this particular day and it is trading there, that is a decline of 16.2% for American Airlines from the 24th of November all the way to today's date. Okay, so that definitely is in a opposite direction for American Airlines. I think the overall stock market has been in that same move or same direction to the downside, but nevertheless we were still able to pinpoint and forecast where resistance was going to come in for American Airlines, and it literally came in at that particular point, and the market continued to actually move to the downside. So this could have been a very good short opportunity if you guys understand any of that occurring in the market. Okay, So now here is LATAM Airlines Group. I want you guys to sit back and listen to this analysis that we did on the 24th of November. And then I'll come right back in and tell you how the market actually participated. The second one is LATAM Airlines Group. Let's go ahead and see what is current on the monthly chart. And you can tell here that LATAM has been holding support around $8. Very positive. We've seen some stockpile coming into the market over the last 2 months, but it is very reluctant into moving to the downside. Very positive to see that occur. One of the reasons as to why we're expecting it to move higher in price. $12 will be the resistance area, the first resistance area for LATAM, but overall we're still seeing strength entering the space in the market for this stock. Okay, so even on the weekly bar, you can tell here that we are trading resistance now, $10, because it came and held support during the weeks of February 2017. I am expecting it to try to break that $10 and move back up to around $11, $12 for the month of December. So again, LATAM Airlines Group is forecasted to move to the upside. That is going to be our analysis for this particular stock as well. And it seems as if, given the fact that we're two stocks to watch are in the airline sector, then definitely you might expect to see a lot more of these particular companies that delve into this industry to move to the upside as well too. But overall, I'm still seeing LATAM moving to the upside for the month of December. Definitely a stock that needs to be watched for increase in price. So now this is LATAM Airlines Group. You guys can tell here on the video that you just heard that we did on the 24th of November that the market was trading at a close of $10. And on the 29th of December right here, the market closed at $9.94. So that is a decrease of 0.60%. Not that bad. It did hit a high of $10.72 as the market continued to trade from when we actually posted the video on YouTube. Not too bad for this particular market. The market is still holding more or less its consolidation. We're making higher lows in the market for LATAM at this present time too. So out of the three stocks that we did for the stocks to watch in December, LATAM definitely is holding on to most of the weakness that we have endured during the month of December. So definitely this is one that is being very reluctant in moving to the downside, unlike American Airlines. Okay, but that's pretty much everything that has happened for the month of December for LATAM. And let's go ahead and move on to Anworth Mortgage Asset Corporation. So take a moment and listen to what we said about this particular stock, and we'll come right back in and tell you how it performed, which is going to be Anworth Mortgage Asset Corporation. You can see this is a monthly chart as well, and it kind of resembles American Airlines on the monthly chart too. The market for Anworth continues to show us to hold support around $4.25, which is a very positive thing. We're actually closing towards the high of the bar on the monthly chart as well. Looking at the weekly chart, we have been within the consolidation over the last month and a half, maybe even 2 months in Anworth, but we're still showing indication that we want to move to the upside. Now, given the fact that we're only 12 cents from hitting resistance at $4.60, it's still poised to move to the upside. Now, we just have to reevaluate Anworth as we hit that $4.60 price. If we see some indications of weakness entering the market for Anworth, then we will move back down from that $4.60 area. But this is definitely another stock that needs to be watched because the market has been within a consolidation for the last month, 2 months, and we have not moved to the downside, and the volume has been on a decrease as well. So Anworth is another stock to watch for them. So now here we are, we're looking at Anworth Mortgage Asset Corporation. We did our video on this particular day, well, the 24th, and the market was at a close at $4.48. Today, or Friday, it closed at $4.16. That is a decrease of 7.2%. But we told you all that the resistance area in Anworth was at $4.60, and the market hit that exactly right here on the 14th of December. So we still called the market from hitting a resistance area in Anworth Mortgage, but nevertheless, the market continued to show us that it got hit with a lot of the weakness that has came and played the stock market. Definitely got hit a lot harder than Latam, and it broke support right there at $4.30. So we're still in a weakness mode in Anworth Mortgage Asset Corporation for this particular stock. So overall, for the month of December right now, we will be down 24%, but considering what we did the previous month for November, we were up 22.2%. So as a cumulative total, we are down 1.8%. Looking at the stocks that were that needed to be watched for November and December, we will continue to give you all this type of action because nobody else is showing you how their stocks to watch or their stocks to buy are performing. But we definitely feel as if we should give you that type of information to be more transparent in those things that we are producing on this channel. Okay, so this is how these three stocks performed throughout the month of December. Wasn't a very good month on a percentage basis for two of these stocks. One of them is definitely holding consolidation. So again, considering what the overall market has endured throughout the month of December, definitely can insinuate most of this price action for two of these stocks definitely contributed from what occurred as the market sell-off occurred as a whole. Okay, so tomorrow we will give you three more stocks that need to be watched for the month of January, and again we'll come back in towards the end of January and how it performs and show you how we did. Okay, so again, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure that you do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this content. Hit that bell notification while you're there so you do not miss out on more of the content that we will upload to this particular medium. We do appreciate you all. Give us your thoughts, give us a comment about how the overall market is progressing. Do you still suspect that the cryptocurrencies, I'm sorry, not the cryptocurrency, the stock market, do you still feel as if we're going to enter a recession, a depression, or even something worse? Give us your comments. Leave it there in the comment section of this video, and we definitely will respond or probably read your opinions as to what the stock market is doing as a whole. Again, make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you later.